Garmin makes some of the most useful runner-centric smartwatches. Their watch's entire UI is built to give runners a better experience, and the best example of that is the watch faces on their smartwatches. You might be thinking that stock watch faces are generic and can't be tailored to your needs, but that's not true. In this video, I am going to demonstrate using my Garmin Forerunner how you can customize the watch face on your Garmin watch. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. On your watch face, press and hold the up button. This will bring the watch face menu. Press the start button to select the option. This will open the selected watch face on your watch. You can now press the up and down button to select other watch faces. You can also download and add new watch faces using Garmin Connect. You can check our video on best watch faces for Garmin using the I button. Coming back to the video, you can customize any watch face you like. So let's start with the one that I have already modified to some extent. Press the start button. A menu will pop up with customize, apply and delete options. We are going to select the customize option. This will present you with all the complications options that you can modify. As you can see, you can modify the dial, hands, data, accent color and background color. Let's start with the dial first. Just press the start button when you are on the dial option. Now using the up and down button, you can change the background of the watch. Switching to the hand option, you will be able to change the looks of the hour and minute hands. As you can see, there are multiple options to choose from. The next option for customization is the data stream. Once you select it, you will be able to change which data you want on your watch face. It starts with the top data stream and you can change which data you want to be shown here using the up and down button. As you can see, there are multiple options to choose from. Once you have decided which metric to choose, you can select it using the start button. This will also change the selected data stream as you see right now. Data metric on the left is selected now. Selecting it again will switch to the right data stream. If I press start again, you will be able to set the last data stream at the 6 o'clock position. These are the complications that I use, but you can choose the one that suits you better. The next option is accent color, which changes the second hands and the other complications color. You can also change the background color of the watch face if you don't like bright or dark backgrounds. Another thing that I would like to show you is that you get more customization options on different watch faces. I will also recommend you to explore all the options yourself. And if you have any doubt about the same, then leave them in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to press that like button to tell us how you feel about the video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos like these on Garmin and other smartwatches. With that, it's time to say goodbye. See you next time.